Good afternoon, everyone. This is your DDF class. Whatever the doubts you have, you just let me know in the chat box, please. Good afternoon, everyone. A very good afternoon to everyone. Let me know your doubts in the chat box, please. Okay. And those who are not with the roll numbers, please connect your ID with your roll numbers only. Otherwise, you will be removed. Okay. Many times this message is depicted to you in the group as well. So make sure that you people are connected with your roll numbers, okay? And whatever the doubts you have, just let me know. Otherwise, don't waste your time. Revise your concepts, whatever I have taught to you already, okay? I'll explain the oxidation number on Saturday's class because tomorrow I guess we have a holiday on occasion of Eid. But yeah, anyways, electronic configuration is almost completed and oxidation number Aksha I'll complete in the Saturday class, so no need to worry, okay? Whatever the syllabus completion, it is in my hands. I'll complete it for sure. Yeah, sure. Vikas, what is the doubt? Let me unmute you. Yes, Vikas. Yes, tell me. You can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ma'am, half-filled orbitals are stable now, ma'am, like 3d5.
Half-filled electronic configuration is stable. Yes.
Ma'am, then is 4s1 stable like 3d5?
It no, actually, yeah, you can. Your question is right, ma'am. If I am considering d orbital, then s is also one electron, right? So it is also considered to be half-filled.
Yes, ma'am.
But generally, we do not consider this is in the half-filled because there is a rule. Mm, Okay, though it will be explained later. Let's say I'm considering 3d5. So these electron can exchange their energy with these other. But this electron, it will, I mean, it cannot exchange energy with, it will not exchange energy because there is no other electron, right? So there is a concept called exchange energy concept, which I told in the morning class also that I'll explain it later. Let's say if I am considering for P, here also they can exchange the energy, but here there is a no actually other member of this particular orbital which it will to which it will exchange it energy, right?
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
why that's why we are consider that this will be the most stable one, 3d5, or you can say 2p3, right?
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
got it. Okay. Surya beta, yes, I'll teach about the those students who are having confusion that uh, about the oxidation number. Oxidation number will be taught in the this Saturday class. Why you people are worried about the oxidation number? It's my duty to complete it, right? So it will be completed for sure. Okay. Why chromium and copper are half filled? But chromium and copper are not actually, their electronic configuration is 4s1 3d5 chromium, and copper is 4s1 3d10. Actually, their electronic configuration is half filled and full filled. That's why they are stable. The stability, the driving force for this particular electronic configuration is half filled electronic configuration. But not only the half filled, there are several other reasons also through which we can explain this, that will come later. Okay. Okay, now you got it. Supreet is having a doubt from question number 24 from the paper. If you know, I told you the same question. I was not expected that this type of question come in the exam, because I even already told in the class as well. You know that angular momentum is having the formula nh by 2 pi. Those which are integral multiple of this h by 2 pi, that are possible, any value will be possible for that value. I mean, that will be the possible value for the angular momentum of any orbital, right? So you just see and you just put n value and you will got the answer. And n value can be an integer too, right? Is it? They have changed the answer of this particular, I guess, answers. Yeah, sure. I'm just telling you. Wait for a minute, because there was some question went in the bonus, right? Is it? No, not. Malab, they corrected the key. There was some changes in the key. Just a minute. Let me tell you about the 24 question. Okay. 24 question में, let's say this will be after the key. They didn't revise. Actually, they revised it. They will, the marks whichever you got is after the revision of the key only. Okay. So 3h by 2 pi will be the follow the angular momentum. 2h by 2 pi also will follow. 4h by 2 pi also follow. Then 2h by 4 pi also follow. See, 9h by 6 pi also follow. Because 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, so 3h by 2 pi. Then, no, 6h by 9 pi will not follow, h by pi will also not follow. Then 8 by, h by 3 also not, 3 pi by 2h also not follow. Then 8h by 2 pi also follow. 4h by 8 pi also follow. 12h by 4 3 pi will not follow. 68 or 17. Is there any multiple of this 68 or 17? 4, right? 4h by pi. 17 to ja 34. This also follow how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What is remaining? क्या बच गया यार बोलो? 4h by 2 pi, 2h by 4 pi, 9h by 6 pi, 6h by 9 pi. नहीं, 2h by 2 pi नहीं होगा. नहीं होगा ना, 2h by 2 pi भी होगा. Yes, it will be there, right? Why? Why not? This is nh by 2 pi, right? N value is 2 only here. H by pi will also be there. Then what is remaining? 3h by 2 pi is there, 2h by 2 pi is there, 4h by 2 pi is there, 2h by 4 pi is there, 9h by 6 pi is there. H by pi is there. 8h by 3 pi will not be there. Then 3h by 2 pi. 3 pi by 2h they are giving. H by pi is there. Yes, obviously h by pi will be there because 2h by 2 pi can be written as h by pi also. So even if then and 2 will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8h by 3 2 pi. Then 4h by 8 pi 7. 8h by, then that's it. I guess 9 will be the answer, right? What is the answer? They are giving 9 only. In my key, 9 is the only answer. 9 is the answer for 24th. What is your answer in the key? How h by pi, beta? H by pi can be written as 2h by 2 pi. Then this will be cancelled. Then it will be remaining will be h by pi only, no? Then it will be, no, there is no co-host. Any other value is not remaining, I guess, according to me. अच्छा, denominator should be 2 pi. हाँ सही बात है. If denominator should be 2 pi, हाँ तब तो नहीं होना चाहिए. फिर कोई और ऑप्शन भी नहीं है हमारे पास तो. और क्या ऑप्शन बच रहा है हमारे पास? इज देयर एनी ऑप्शन लेफ्ट? टेल मी. Is there any option left, beta, in the question? No, anybody? No, right? Arey, tell me, bhai. What about you people? According to me also. Just let me check it once again because there can be. Sai Teja, actually, they are, if they will, we are considering it h by pi, they can consider in this way that 2h by 2 pi is also there. So they are not assuming the 2, there should be h and pi, we can also be, but automatically this become 2h by 2 pi actually, right? Right? Array, is it? What about other students? Is there any other doubt? Other doubts, tell me. Accommodation. Enthalpy means beta energy only. For your level, you can consider enthalpy is an energy only. Okay. Tell me the accommodation of this sp_df. Beta, s orbital occupy 2 electron, p occupy 6, d occupy 10, f occupy 14. SPDF में S will occupy 2, P में we have PX, PY, PZ, right? So they can occupy maximum of 6, D have 5, so there can be total 10 electrons it can occupy. Okay. Beta, Sai Teja, whatever the doubts you have, just ask me. Let me clear your doubts, no? The first question is, which of the following element is more electropositive? What should be the answer? Electropositive, they are asking. You must have studied about the electronegativity, and electronegativity decreases down the group. So iodine should be the one, right? Iodine should be the one. Ma'am, is the position of an element in a specific block related to their outermost orbital? Yes, yes, yes. Very true, Hemant. They are only actually based on their outermost electronic configuration. 20, which is the shape of an orbital. No orbital is mentioned here. So in key it is given as A, D, but still I have been wrong, given wrong. Beta, answer should be D actually, because and nothing is mentioned. Which orbital? Right? Which orbital? Nothing is mentioned, so answer should be D. Acha, do one thing. I am telling the first two, I mean all the questions I am telling. Just a minute, so that you should not have any kind of a confusion. And whatever they have revised it also. Just a minute. And DPP beta 3 and 4 तो पहले कर तो लो. You should do once then no. आज तो homework ही दिया मैंने, right? I am discussing first the paper. Yes. The first 13 question. Which of the following element is the most electropositive? अरे बेटा, what they are giving? ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ लग रहा है मुझे. Just a minute. What is given in your answer key? What is your answer key, beta? Beta, it is given in iodine, right? Please tell me. You people are not telling me. How I can tell you the answers? 13th question is, which of the following element is more electropositive? This is the question, right? In the paper. अरे बेटा सीजियम, बेटा सीजियम नो मैम, इज इट इन योर पेपर? है no, actually how many questions are, what question it is, how many elements are present in sixth period? Just a minute, which paper I am watching? Beta, can you show me? Just a minute. No, no. Actually, how many questions? These questions are till 24, right? Twenty-four, right? Okay. And 24th question is which of the following values are possible for angular momentum, right? This is the 24th question. यही है ना? And 23rd question is which of the following species Bohr model will not be applicable? This is the question 23rd. अच्छा, 14th question ये है when neutral atom is converted into an ion, it's 14th question is this one, when neutral atom is converted into an ion, yes or no? अच्छा, yes. 15th is which of the following energy order is correct, yes or no? अच्छा, I guess this only 13th question is wrong. Just wait for a minute. Leaving the 13th question, I am discussing from 14th question. When neutral atom is converted into an ion, then its size will, tell me, increases, right? 14th, A answer, no doubt. Acha, somebody send the question paper to me. Very good. This is good, actually. ठीक है. Now, how many elements are, okay, 13th question is, just a minute. Now let me check your paper and I'll check your from your paper only. How many elements are present in the sixth period? Answer will be 32. Sixth period में answer will be 32. Yes. Yes बेटा. Answer will be C. ठीक है, मैं लिख रही हूँ साइड में. 13th is answer C, 14th answer A, 15th. Which of the following energy order is correct? Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration on the, you haven't, I hope teacher or your teacher have already taught you this, right? See, N plus L rule. N plus L rule. 7s देखो, 5f देखो, तो 7 plus 0 SPDF 0 1 2 3, 5 plus 3 8. So इसका एनर्जी ज्यादा. So on the basis of N plus L rule you have to tell. So 15th will be C answer. This is based on N plus L value. This is N value and L values are defined for SPDF. It's okay, no worries at all. This is a portion of the this week. No worries at all, no need to worry. 16th question, what is the sum of number of subshell and number of orbitals present in the second shell, second energy shell? N में कितने, how many? Tell me. 16th question, what you have written? अरे 6 ना, second energy shell में 6. Please match your answer. Which of the following orbitals have doubly dumbbell shape? Doubly dumbbell किसका होता है? I have told you. B. Doubly dumbbell बेटा D orbital का, तो answer will be B. 18th question. What is the atomic mass of an element that has highest first ionization? first ionization. No, this question is different actually. What is the atomic mass of the element that has highest radius in period 2? Atomic mass of the element that has atomic radius highest. How? What should be the answer? Yes, 20. Ma'am, but we did 10. What 10? अच्छा जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा, एक तो मुझे ना नो बेटा 20 शुड बी द आंसर, 10 कहाँ है? न्योन है एंड कैल्शियम तो न्योन से बड़ा है, राइट? यस 20 ओनली, 18th का दी. देन 19th question, which of the following is not a periodic property? Radioactivity is not a periodic property. Atomic radius, ionization energy, then this all. 20th question, what is the value of Planck's constant? It is 6.626, 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. The answer. Joule second, not joule per second. I already told you in the class. 21 question, which is the shape of an orbital? Shape of an orbital is actually not mentioned. That's why answer should be D. But if you will consider in 3D, then answer can be A. Now, 22, maximum number of electron a p subshell can have. Maximum number of electrons 6. आज ही बता दिया, अभी बताया. 23, which of the following species? 23 में they are saying which of the following species Bohr model will not be applicable. Bohr model is applicable only on the single electronic. So how many single electronic are there? कितने हैं? 23 का आंसर देखो, देखते हैं सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कितने हैं. मैम यू टोल्ड जूल पर सेकंड इन द क्लास. चंद्रविलास बेटा, I have told you joule second. You can see in my recording as well. You cannot blame a teacher like this. Joule per second नहीं, बाकी बच्चों से पूछो. What? Tell me students, what I told you the unit of Planck's constant, joule second or joule per second? See, others are also telling Chandvilash, joule second. Your mistake. You can check my recording as well. I cannot tell you the unit wrong. ठीक है. 23rd का क्या आंसर है बेटा? 4. 23rd का आंसर is 4. 24th का आंसर is actually in dilemma, right? Now 24, what they are giving answer? 9 answer should be there, right? Sixteenth one. Yes, 21 में तो आंसर can be A and B. 16th one बेटा, number of subshell and number of orbital present in the second energy. N is equal to 2 में subshell and number of orbital they are asking. It's okay Chanvilash, not an issue. Ma'am, 21 question, the answer is A and D. I wrote D, but it is showing wrong. Is it? Ma'am, in 23rd, what are they for? Acha, see what are they for? Look at that. Helium plus hydrogen, helium. Helium में 1 electron निकालोगे, it will be 1 electron species only. Then hydrogen will be there. Lithium will not be there. Beryllium will not be there. hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, 3 electron, then beryllium 3 plus. Okay, कितने बन गए? कितने बोले मैंने अभी तक? How many I have told you? थ्री बोले? अच्छा, तो what is remaining then? हाइड्रोजन एटम को एक्सप्लेन करेगा ना बेटा. Yes beta, tritium will follow na. Deuterium तो there will be two. Deuterium will not follow, tritium will follow. 3H1 is there. Helium plus होना चाहिए, lithium 2 plus. Lithium 2 plus तो ऑप्शन में नहीं है. Then it should be beryllium 3 plus, then tritium 4 should be the right answer. Deuterium को नहीं करेगा, it will not. Two electrons. What is the other dot? 16th one. And one thing more beta, they are in the 23rd question. Please can you read the, please 23rd question may read the option again. Which of the following species Bohr theory will not be applicable? Will not, they are answering in the will not. Please look at carefully. Helium plus hydrogen, lithium will not follow, right? Beryllium 2 plus will not follow. Lithium 3 plus also will not follow. H2 will not follow. तो क्या बचा हमारे पास? Hydrogen, then what is left? Deuterium, then अरे विकास, wait for a minute. Vikas, what you are asking? I am telling this question also बेटा, सबका ही बता रही हूँ मैं. What is left बेटा? फिर भी, so answer would be, they are asking, क्या आंसर दिया? 4 only, right? अरे क्या आंसर है बोलो, किसका डाउट था ये? अक्षय 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 अक्षय, you got it? Akshay is there in the class, MD22028. No, I guess he is not in the class. Okay, okay. Vikas, tell me what is your doubt? Sai Teja, you will get the marks, beta. No, Likhit, only I am telling you the doubts. Question paper share karna. Just a minute. The student share me the question paper, but I won't be able to see the messages again and again then. Yes, yes, this is the question paper, beta. I won't be able to share. Actually, I won't be able to. Just a minute. If I can open it in the Acrobat, so I'll be able to. Yes. अरे ये तो फिजिक्स है, केमिस्ट्री का है ये रही. Yes, this is the answer 32. Size increases 7s. Then 16th question. क्या है? Which of the following 6? Then we have doubly dumbbell, D orbital. Till now, any doubt? Ma'am, our ranks will come for this week. Yes. Then we have 18th में 20 will be the answer. Then radioactivity. अब तो आंसर भी याद हो गए हैं. It can be A or D. It can be 6. Here answer is 20. इसका answer will be 4. That's it. Ma'am, in 20 was I kept but kept wrong for me. Beta, you can tell them actually or they will correct it. Okay. Okay. Any other doubts, beta? Any other doubts? Beta, they are saying the sum of the just a minute, let me clear the Venkat Tarun doubt. Beta, Venkat Tarun n is equal to 2 होगा ना, then P orbital will be there, 6 will be there ना, total 3 shell having 6 sub, I mean total subshells will be, orbital will be 6 only. No, in not is, no beta, it is from the 48 only. Beta Rahul, I taught in your class, I taught about, क्या पढ़ाया तुम्हारी क्लास में आज मैंने? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बताया बेटा. Electronic configuration I taught. Where should we check our marks? You can check your marks on the portal, and there is a notice board on the portal, and you can check there. There are marks with the rank. Now, what is the doubt remaining? Let me share. Actually, one student is again saying share the question paper, because if I'll share the question paper, then I won't be able to see your messages. That's why. There, here it is. Yeah. Ma'am, what is meant by ionic compound? Beta, Ajay, now where I will write. First, tell me, is there any confusion in the paper? Clear, no? Okay, just a minute. Let me write then. Ranks of some people, no, there will be a file actually, and that ranks will be on every student, right? Senior ranks. नहीं, who told you beta deuterium not a single electron? If they are isotopes of hydrogen only, hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. Senior ranks means, ma'am, is it possible to fluorine has completely filled like copper? No beta. No, fluorine में you cannot do. Fluorine में electronegative element is there. 12th class, अच्छा. Oh, okay. Maybe they will upload you for, they will upload it for you, or maybe they will send as in a message. अरे अक्षा बेटा वो that is not from your, I guess your senior result is there. Yes बेटा DPP one answer key. Yes DPP one answer key. Ma'am they have uploaded, but it is at last after you scroll down it's there. हाँ I told you no. When you will scroll down it will be there बेटा. आकाश कोथा जी बेटा, what is the doubt you have in DPP? बेटा DPP one का answers I am giving. Please note it down. One answer D. I am writing. Second also D. Third B. Fourth A. Fifth C. Sixth B. Seventh B. Eighth का C. Yes, second energy level means 2s and 2p. Yes, beta. Yes. Ninth D. Tenth you can leave B. Chin Vilash, why you want to see other student marks? अपने marks तो देख लो. Ma'am, can I see other student marks? अरे बेटा अपनी पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. Your competition is with yourself only. Why you want to see others? What I am teaching to you and keep on texting that please beta look, beta logics पे ध्यान दो, पढ़ने पे ध्यान दो. Students are asking the genuine doubts and you are saying that can I see other marks? Beta you are now beta you have to do JEE preparation beta. 11th is C. Please mark answers please. Varun, who told you? Where you said see it? Vikas, I'll explain you once. Let me give this because other many students are asking many doubts. No, beta in this statement they are asking wrong, and G-man effect is splitting in an electric field, in a magnetic field, and they are saying electric field. Twelve beta. 12 you can leave actually. That is related to again and continuous pattern. No worries at all. I am just giving you the answers whether it is related or not related. Today's homework I have told you, right? Ma'am, first answer you said B. मैंने कब बोला? When I said B बेटा लिखा भी है यहाँ पे D. See, here it is D written. I have written here. It is a proof here. When I told you, Not here. In before week, is it? No. No, maybe due to, maybe I am, no. I cannot say like this. I mean, maybe there can be a mistake with me. I mean, maybe I'm taking my words back, but it is clear from the question that, it is clearly from the questions that, beta 12th to D will be there. 21, yes, B. No, beta, spectrum of not hydrogen, spectrum of any atom or ion having one electron only. 12th D, it is written over there. This is D only. Beta 24, horizontal rows and vertical columns. Horizontal rows are period and vertical columns are 24C, 25D. This is the answer key of DPP1. Beta Akshay, homework is there for today's homework is DPP3. How can you give? How can I give the answer key for DPP3? First, you people solve it, no? Then I will give you the answers. Okay. You have done already. Then please keep your answer with you. I cannot give the answers to you people because other students. Beta DPP3 में you are saying second answer. Second should be, the first two groups are called S block. A should be the answer for second. And third answer should be D. Fifth answer should be A. Can you explain fourth and fifth question? Beta fourth question में ground state of chromium, the total number of orbital populated by one or more. Beta, that you have to write whole electronic configuration of chromium. Then you have to count each and every orbital whether they are occupied by one or more electron. That's what I have told you. 19th question you can leave beta as of now. What about other students? चलो बेटा और बताओ. अरे बेटा JBJ is nothing. JB is a batch actually. Nothing. It's just name of batch. You have, why you're comparing with a quota? Nothing. You have a genuine doubt related to chemistry that you ask. Beta second. Beta Akshay, I'm not telling you the answer of DPP3. First solve it, no? Just try to solve it. You have solved, right? Answered second will be A and third will be B. What about other ones? Please ask. One student is asking so many doubts and others are not asking even a single doubt. Please ask. DPP2 19th answer. DPP2 9. Beta 19th I told you that leave it one. Leave it for now. I haven't told you about the covalent and van der Waals bond. Any other student? Acha, covalent bond you have studied. Acha, for other track you have studied, then sir will discuss the DPP for sure, okay? 24th question, Vikas, 24th question में you have to see which will be the integral multiple of NH by 2 pi. Put the n value and get the answer. Let's say 3h by 2 pi, 4h by 2 pi, 2h by 2 pi. Yes, beta Vivek, yes. Because you got it. How to put the n value? Simply in teacher you have to put ma'am, how to know which value is correct? Beta, just now I told you NH by 2 pi, NH by, why you are not listening? N value is will be integer. नहीं बेटा, yes, h by pi can be correct because then if you will write 2h by 2 pi, then it is correct according to this, right? Can you explain morning class about copper 2 plus? Beta, copper 2 plus is having electronic configuration 4s1 3d10. Why I gave this electronic configuration as 3d10? Because it is fulfilled electronic configuration, and fulfilled electronic configurations are most stable one. That's why I told you this is the exceptional behavior. Because what is the doubt left for you? Let me share again. Vikas is saying show the question paper. See the question paper. Okay. To be stable as what you are saying, Likit, because I have to write it right. What you are saying, to be stable, S or vital give electron to D. Yeah, it can, but the energy is actually, it is not giving, actually they are exchanging energy. People will not get it for now, but when I will tell you, explain about the quantum theories, then you will get it for sure, okay? No, actually, the subshell is actually SPDF. Here we are calculating the integer values, not the subshell. Specifically, you cannot say, but when you will study further, it is nothing but somehow equivalent to subshell. Okay. I guess all other do not have any doubts. Okay. Thank you so much. Right? Yes, subshell. Yes. Orbital is a part of subshell actually. Not subshell is a part of orbital. Okay. Please, I told you about the hierarchy. You forgot. Hierarchy you forgot. Bohr model का hierarchy. Yes. Okay. Please revise that once. Your homework is do the revision and solve the DPP. Okay. Thank you so much. You all can leave the class. Thank you.